Hello everybody, today at Bob's Watches we're introducing a pre-owned Rolex Sea-Dweller 126603. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2019 or newer. The characteristics include a stainless steel and 18 karat yellow gold Oyster bracelet with a folding Oysterlock clasp and glidelock extension system. The dial is black with a chromalight display, luminous hands and hour markers, and gold Sea-Dweller lettering. The case is 43mm stainless steel and 18 karat yellow gold with a helium escape valve and a ceramic bezel as well as an automatic 3.2, 3.5 movement. The Sea-Dweller comes with a Rolex box, booklets, hang tags, wallet, and a Rolex warranty card dated June 2019. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 126603 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.